Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very good software which will going to fix your all computer issues in a very simple way. Well, what you have to do first, you have to open your browser and then here you need to search for repair kit and then click enter. And after that, you're going to get this and then you're going to find out this website called github.com. You can see, and here you can going to get this foulest repair kit all in one Java based Windows repair software. So what you're going to do, we're going to click on this website and then we're going to get this repair kit over here. You can see, so this is repair kit and you can simply see we will going to get this interface and then you need to run your commands. So for download, what you have to do, we have to come over into this section. If you click on that, then we're going to get the zip folder to download. If you click on that, you can see the download has been started. After complete the download, you're going to click on this folder icon and select this repair kit and going to extract all this folder. Click extract, and after completing with that, you can simply refresh it and going to run repair kit. If you click on that, if you get this kind of comments, then click on run anyway and it will going to open the repair kit for your Windows. And now you can see this tool is made by Foulest and it's an automatic repair kit will automatically apply register setting, disable telemetry settings, optimize Windows service, remove bloatware, repair disk issues and more. So if you that kind of issues are you facing in your computer, you're going to get a help from this auto repairs tools. You can see there is, if you click on this remove junk files and if you run automatic repairs, it will going to running repairs for your computer. And you can see we got a message over here called finished, automatic repairs have been completed. Now click on OK. And now you're going to see that your PC is running smoothly after that, after deleting some junk files. So there is a lot of solutions, automatic, running options over here. If you click on run kit another time, if you minimize the file explorer, you can see there are lots of progress options, delete system policies, run registry tweaks, run system tweaks, and remove bloatware, repair disk issues, scan for malware, and update outdated programs. So that's it. You can simply use this app for your automatic repair for your computer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.